We'll now take you to the trial of those 3 men charged with murdering Ahmaud Arbery, a 25-year-old black man who'd been jogging through a Georgia neighborhood. A defense attorney in that trial apologizing one day after making a controversial comment in court. Kevin Gaw yesterday saying, quote, "We don't want any more black pastors coming in here." Now, that was in reference to Reverend Al Sharpton, who was seated with the Arbery family. Correspondent Janelle Ford is following the trial. She joins us live now. So, Janelle, what reaction is coming in from today's announcement?
Well, Nichole, Reverend Al Sharpton put out a statement. Attorney Ben Crump tweeted that he has plans to bring 100 black pastors here to Brunswick next week. And Reverend Jesse Jackson, who was also brought up in that rant, is allegedly coming to town too. And the backlash of those off-color remarks largely overshadowed what happened in the courtroom today. In fact, prior to testimony starting this morning, William Roddy Bryan's attorney, Kevin Gaw, tried to walk back what he said yesterday.
I will let the court know that if my statements yesterday were overly broad, I will follow up with a more specific motion on Monday, putting that and those concerns in the proper context. And my apologies to anyone who might have inadvertently been offended.
Apology accepted, but a whole lot of things he shouldn't have said it. I mean, it was very rude, and again, very insensitive. I mean, my family and I were going through a lot, and for him to come out and say that, it was just unreal.
And that was Ahmaud Arbery's mom during the lunch break earlier. She was also asked if she thought that apology was sincere, and her response was no. And right before that, we heard from the defense attorney for Travis McMichael. It's the first time we've heard from him since this trial started, and he made a concentrated effort to separate himself and his client from those comments.
That statement was totally asinine, ridiculous. And I think Kevin has realized that in the heat of what's happened in court and, having concerns that this jury could be influenced by various things, that he said that. And I think he's tried to walk that back this morning. But in no way do we want to exclude anybody from this process.
Now, he went on to say that this case is not about a lynching, it's not about racist motives, and pointed out that each of the defendants here have separate legal teams and don't all speak for each other. Now, race, though, as we know, it has been a central theme in this case. In addition to these state criminal charges that the McMichaels and Bryan are being charged with, they're also facing charges of federal hate crimes in Arbery's death. The charges allege that Arbery was targeted and killed because he was black. Now, again, all of that really overshadowing what happened in the courtroom today. We heard from more law enforcement officials on the witness stand today, and now court is adjourned for the weekend and will resume, Nichole, Monday morning.
Yeah, Janelle, that was a good point. Each of those defendants, they do have their own legal team. All right, Janelle, thank you for that.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.